Hey math explorers, here's a quick brain teaser. If x plus 8 au quadrad equals 64, what's the value of x? Don't rush, most people forget one small trick and lose one of the answers. In today's video, I'll show you two easy methods to solve this and explain why both answers matter. Let's dive in. We're solving this equation, x plus 8 au quadrad equals 64. This is a classic quadratic equation and you'll see how to solve it in two ways. Method 1. Using difference of squares. Method 2. Expanding and factoring. Step 1. Bring 64 to the left side. X plus 8 a quadri, 64 equals 0. Now notice, this is in the form a al quadrad b al quadrad equals a plus b, where a equals x plus 8, b equals 8. Since 64 equals 8 a quadrad, so apply the identity x plus 8, 8, x plus 8 plus 8 equals 0. That becomes x plus 16 equals 0. Now apply the zero product rule. Either x equals 0 or x plus 16 equals 0, x equals negative 16. So your answers are x equals 0 and x equals negative 16. Start again from the same equation. X plus 8 au quadrad equals 64. Now expand the left side using the identity. A plus b a quadrad equals a quadrad plus 2 asterisk a asterisk b plus b a quadrad. Here a equals x, b equals 8. So x plus 8 a quadrad equals x a quadrad plus 16 asterisk x plus 64. Substitute into the equation x quadrad plus 16 asterisk x plus 64 equals 64. Move 64 to the left side. X a quadrad plus 16 asterisk x plus 64. 64 equals 0. X a quadrad plus 16 asterisk x equals 0. Now factor. X plus 16 equals 0. Again, apply the zero product rule. X equals 0, x equals negative 16. Same answers, just a different method. Let's verify both values. X equals 0. 0 plus 8 al quadrad equals 64. 8 al quadrad equals 64. Correct. X equals negative 16. Negative 16 plus 8 au quadrad equals negative 8 au quadrad equals 64. Also correct. Both values satisfy the original equation. So now you know how to solve this equation using two easy methods. Tell me in the comments, which method do you prefer, method 1 or method 2? Also, if you used a different trick, I'd love to hear it. Are you ready to take it to the next level? Click on the next video to learn how to square any 3-digit number at lightning speed. It's even more powerful and fun. If this video gets 100 likes, I'll share an even crazier trick in the next one. So make sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.